Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Lulu Ladybug Creations YouTube channel. Y'all be sure to follow me on my other social media pages: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Hi, my name is Christy and I'm the owner and creator with Lulu Ladybug Creations. And if y'all don't already know, Lulu is my granddaughter. I hope you enjoy the beauty of handmade. Okay, so we're going to start off this cup with, we're using an acrylic snow globe tumbler that I got from the Stainless Depot. And I'm just going to scuff it up a little bit. I'm not going to scuff it up too much because I don't want it. I just want it enough to where it'll hold paint and so forth. Stencils. So I cut out these stencils and I got them from, I believe it was Creative Fabrica. I have the link down in the description. But we're going to go ahead and place these all over the cup. Now, what I didn't do and what I should have done was, when I cut this stencil out, it was the complete rose with all its details. And I'm not using all the details. I just needed the outline, the whole rose, like just a solid rose. Excuse me. So what I should have did was I should have flattened it in Cricut Design Space. That way I just get the entire rose without all the detail cutouts. And you'll see that later in the video when I am weeding this up after I get it painted, that I'm having to weed up all the little extra details in there. All right, so we're going to get all these placed on the tumbler, and then we're going to spray it with a glossy, I think it was Krylon paint, black paint that I used. But I'll go ahead and let this video run from here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, I did the little tape around so that I can put the glitter in. Now that little solution bottle says Makerflo, I think is what it said. It's not Makerflo. I'm using actually distilled water with contact dye solution. Now I don't know if that's a good mix. I'm using it because that's what I had on hand. If y'all have any suggestions on what I can use when I'm not using any of the, all the fancy stuff, let me know in the comment below. Okay, so this glitter is a chunky mix glitter, and I got it at Michael's, and it's a Recollection specialty polyester glitter, and it's in the color cherry. Now, it took me forever to get this little weeding pen and try to get all the glitter down that little hole. So what I end up doing is I end up going back inside my house and I get my, the little hand massager gun with the ball at the end. And I end up using that to get the glitter to fall into the cup quicker. And it did work. It did cut down some time. So we're going to go ahead and take off this little frame that I put on here. And then we're going to spray the top with alcohol, and that's because some of that solution, we wanted to get it completely clean so that when I do the UV resin on top of there, it doesn't affect anything. So we're wiping it down and making sure it's really dry, and shaking it up, making sure that it's flowing the way I want it to flow, and it is. It looks really pretty, but I want to make sure that it's really dry. So I spritz it with some more alcohol and give it a run down with the napkin really good to make sure it's completely dry. Okay, so these cups come with the little stoppers. It actually comes with two. They give you an extra one. And it's a really tight fit, so I struggle here to get it into the hole, but it works out. I tried to push it down with that, but that didn't work. I just put some more muscle to it. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure nothing's leaking, everything's flowing the way it's supposed to flow. It looks really pretty. That red color is beautiful. Okay, so no leaks. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use UV resin that I got from Alumilite. And we are going to fill the entire bottom as high as we can fill it, because the little stopper was a little bit high up off the cup. So I wanted to make sure that I put enough UV resin so that it, you know, it sealed it very well. And it did. So I'm going to get this light that I got from Amazon. It's a little UV curing light. And we're going to cure the top of the cup. I know, you know, I did forget to pop the bubble, so hopefully I caught it enough time, and I used my little torch to do that. But yeah, we're gonna cure it really well, and then we'll spray the whole cup with black. All right, so here we are. The cup has been sprayed with it's a gloss black from Krylon. Now you see here I'm peeling up the stencils, and of course it's all the little details, and I don't want the details. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to remove every single portion of the rose that got cut out. And this is where I should have, in Cricut Design, I should have used the little flattener tool so that it's just one solid image, and I can just get the whole rose itself without any of the details. So we'll go ahead and do all this, weed it all up, and then we'll come back. All right, so all the roses are weeded up. Now what I'm going to do is I cut out the detailed part of the roses with this gold Cricut smart vinyl. I'm sorry, I had to think there for a minute. So we're going to fill the entire cup with those roses, and then what I'm going to do is in the epoxy, I mixed in some of that glitter, that extra fine glitter that you seen there that I pulled up just a few minutes ago, and it's a gold. I didn't put too much in there because I didn't want it to overpower the cup. I just wanted to give it some more detail to the shine. But yeah, if you can see the black, now it has a gold shimmer to it. But we'll go ahead and get this cup entirely filled, goodness gracious, covered entirely with this epoxy glitter mixture, and then we'll let it cure overnight. I'm torching it just to make sure it pops any bubbles that might have surfaced up on the epoxy. Okay, so I don't know what happened to my video. I think it kind of cut short or something. I don't know, but here we are. Now we're going to place the gold roses onto the tumbler. Now I'm also using Cricut transfer tape to place those roses on the tumbler. If y'all are still with me at this point, I want to thank y'all for staying and watching my video. It really helps my channel when you watch it all the way through. It helps with the algorithm so that YouTube pushes it out to more individuals, and I get more subscribers, hopefully. So if y'all haven't already subscribed to me, please do so, and y'all tap that bell so that y'all get notified whenever I upload a new video. And right now I am uploading videos once a week, except for special occasions like this weekend. I'll have another video come out for Valentine's. Okay, so I cut out the word queen, and I don't remember the name of the font that I used, but if I used it from Creative Fabrica, I'll have it linked in the description below. But I wanted it to be, the roses were already outlined bold, with bold outline. So I wanted the word queen to be dainty, I guess. I didn't want it to overpower the roses because my main focal point were the roses. So I just wanted to add a little bit of a little wording just to kind of finish off that little space that I had left in between all those roses. Okay, so now I'm going to scuff up the top of the lid because now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place some rhinestones all on top. Now these rhinestones are 4mm, I believe. I think it's what, 16S or something like that. And I did, if I remember, I've had them for a while. So if I remember correctly, I think I put the link down in the description, but I believe it was Amazon that I got them from. But they're flat back rhinestones, and the color is red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a straight glue line around the straw hole and place the rhinestones evenly around. And then after I get those placed around the straw hole, I will place a straight line around the rim, the top rim of the tumbler cup holder. Oh goodness, cup lid. Cup lid. And as y'all see going forward, those are the only two areas where I'm going to place straight rows of rhinestones. Everything in between, I am going to place them using the scatter method, and the reason why I'm doing that is because I've tried to make it straight all the way in through the lid, and for some reason or another, I always am off balance with placement of the rhinestones. So that's why in the middle, I'll end up doing, it's called scatter method, where I'm just placing them randomly all over the lid of the tumbler. But anyways, I'll go ahead and let the video play through, and I'll speed it up here shortly because, of course, this part of the tumbler was took the longest because, you know, all those takes time to add all those rhinestones. I used to rhinestone entire cups and I got tired. I got tired, so now we do glitter. All right, so here we are, completed tumbler. Um, I think it came out really, really pretty. I like that the queen, the word queen is very simple, but the glitter in between the roses, coming out through the roses, look really, really pretty. But I hope y'all enjoyed watching this tutorial. If y'all have any questions, y'all be sure to leave them in the comments below. Any questions, comments, suggestions. But y'all be sure to like this page and tap that bell so that y'all get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I try to upload a video once a week. Again, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed.